All right, well, the governor has declared a state of emergency.
That's right. It is a serious storm met with plow drivers ahead of it. The state has 2,700 people ready to deal with the snowstorm and more than 2,500 pieces of equipment out on the roads as well. The governor's message for people who live in our state.
You know, some people are sort of lulled into a false sense of security because we've had this great 70-degree weather, and I think everybody thinks it's springtime and we're ready to put on some flip-flops and go barbecue in the backyard. This is a serious winter storm. It's obviously going to be the biggest event we've had this season, and people need to be prepared and need to be safe.
Most of all, the governor is reminding people to please drive carefully and just to stay off the roads and highways if you can.